So I'm Angelo, or you can call me Paolo. I am a mechanical engineer at hibot, and currently I am the team leader for the mechanical engineering team. Day to day, I check up on people, help with the designs, check the drawings, help them out if they are in a tight spot. We basically are trying to make the impossible possible by using what we know, the engineering concepts, the math, the applied physics, to make the impossible possible. What we're trying to do is to not take over of other people's jobs, but we're basically trying to make a substitute tool instead of them going into the 3D environment. The 3D environment is the dangerous, dirty, and demeaning environment where we usually do inspections, like dirty places, high places that you need scaffolding, or a person needs to go up there with the risk of falling down and dying, basically, or going inside sewage systems. My hobbies are still related to design. I basically own a 3D printer. I design stuff on my free time. Right now, my current project is a mahjong table that automatically shuffles and sorts the tiles into a neat order. But aside from designing, I do sports as well. I cycle, I run. Number one thing I enjoy about my job is we build stuff from concept all the way to design, from design all the way to producing it all the way to assembling it, and assembling it all the way to testing it in the field, and seeing the progress from basically a sketch in a notebook into something actual. It's a very, very exciting process.